Good morning. I know, long time no see. Sorry about that. Today I've made the decision to make this a vlogging day because things are changing yet again here in London. Lots of you are actually from the UK, so you already know this, but if you're not from the UK, a quick rundown of the situation. We had our first long lockdown from March till summer. Then we came out of lockdown, we went into different tiers, 3 tiers, 3 being the worst. London was in tier 2. Then the whole country went back into a major lockdown. We came out of the major lockdown on December 2nd. London was in tier 2, the middle tier, which meant that things were kind of open. You could kind of meet people outside, not inside. Anyway, yesterday the government announced that London is going into tier 3 tomorrow, which essentially means that most of London is shutting back down again. And although like shops aren't going to be shutting down, I just feel like it is bad enough for tier 3. I don't really want to be going in just before Christmas because I'm trying to stay healthy so that I can spend Christmas with my family. I have some Christmas shopping to do. I want to see some of the decorations that I haven't seen yet in central London. Potentially a trip to Harrods. It's something that I've done every year. It would be sad to miss out this year. And then yeah, just a meander around to enjoy the last time that I might be in London this side of 2020. It's really weird to say. Anyway, I'm excited. Let's go.
Turn on the lights. Party was over, so I said my goodbyes. Step out the club and you were with, and outside. Gave you my coat cause I could see that you were cold. The driver message said he's stuck in the snow. I said there's no way I'm not walking you home. Next thing you know it, we were trying our clothes, but I didn't mean to get you in trouble. Now we're on the naughty list. Must have been the way we kissed. Santa saw the things we did and put us on the naughty list.
The Harrods Christmas window displays are usually really famous every year because of how amazing they are. I mean, the gold's pretty, but I don't think I get it this year.
It's Christmas morning and there's nothing to see. 100 messages like where have you been? No, I don't wanna, but it's time for me to go. My driver message that he's stuck in the snow. He said there's no way that I'm letting you go. Next thing you know it, we were drying our clothes, and I know you meant to get me in trouble. Now we're on the naughty list. Must have been the way we kissed. Santa saw the things we did and put us on the naughty list. Underneath the mist.
I'm trying to tell if it looks different. I think it looks different. Have they set it up differently? I haven't been here in so long.
Now we're on the naughty list. 365 days. You around my place. We'll misbehave. The kisses like snowflakes all over your body. 365 days. You around my place. We'll misbehave.
I want to buy this for me for Christmas. It's only £120.
Must have been the way we kissed. Santa saw the things we did.
Oh my gosh, it's gone. Is it gone? There was always a memorial to Diana here. I guess since it's been bought, it's gone. But now I've just got the bed. Anyway, I'm trying to find the Christmas. Okay, I'm trying to find the Christmas area, but I mean everywhere's Christmassy, but this is cool.
I feel that chill upon the air. There's smiling faces everywhere.
This bit's always packed every year. It's quite nice that it's not, actually. Much easier to get around.
Show me the magic. I'll keep you warm this winter night. You bring the tree, I'll bring the lights. Now blanket my world in white. And show me the magic. I've been waiting all year. Is that the sound of sleigh bells I hear? Wherever you may roam, I tell you, babe, you're never alone. The snow is
A few
silent.
years ago I actually went to the Harrods Christmas in July event through my work at Londonist. So I've already got a Harrods bauble. I don't need one.
and show me the magic.
Coming in on a Tuesday morning / afternoon was such a good call. No one's here. I feel so bad for all these restaurants. They all close. Today is the last day. But I think I'm gonna go to K-Tray. I can't say that right, it's Vietnamese. Because I've had a bit of a craving for it for about a month. So it seems a good option. Most of Soho has become partly pedestrianised at certain times of the day, which is really cool. I hope they continue this when things go back to normal-ish.
I tell you, babe, you're never alone. The snow is silent in the streets. Let's choose love and hope for peace. Now make some room for your dreams, yeah. Show me the magic. Show me the magic. Show me the magic.
That was so good. That's a That London Life recommendation. But I'm just having a bit of a giggle because I passed a woman who said, this place really reminds me of Soho. We're in Soho. That was a success. Got some presents. And the shop assistant asked if I was over 18. I'm 31.
The drunk tank. An old man said to me, won't say another one.
What's great about Regent Street is that they've widened the pedestrian area and it's completely pedestrianised every Saturday in December before Christmas. I was here earlier last week having some rooftop cocktails with some friends, and then we came out and took some pictures with the lights, which is really nice. It's not dark enough yet.
Got on a lucky one. Came in late 10 to 1. I've got a feeling this year's for me and you. So happy Christmas. I love you, baby. I can see a better time when all our dreams come true.
You promised me Broadway was waiting for me. You were handsome.
You were pretty queen of New York City. When the band finished playing, they held out for more. Sinatra was swinging, all the drunks they were singing. We kissed on the corner, then danced through the night. The boys of the NYPD choir were singing, go away, babe. And the bells were ringing out for Christmas Day. They're almost dead on a drip in that bed.
You scumbag, you maggot, you cheap and you haggard. Happy Christmas, you're ours, I pray God it's our love.
The boys of the NYPD choir still singing, go away, babe. And the bells are ringing out for Christmas Day. Could have been someone.
I needed a break and so I just sit for half an hour to let it get dark a little bit, and then I'm going to explore Covent Garden and see some more lights. So I've got myself a little chocolate Gâteau Marcel. Oh, yum, that's going to be good.
But I'm with my own, can't make it all alone. I built my dreams around you. The boys of the NYPD choir still singing, go away, babe. And the bells are ringing out for Christmas Day.
snow flurries, but I've seen nothing. But I at least wanted to see Covent Garden. It's one of those places that I've come to every Christmas, and so this was not going to be one where I didn't come to Covent Garden. But I think that's kind of it. I think I'm done now. My feet are tired, I am tired. But I hope that you enjoyed this pre-Christmas vlog. Merry Christmas everybody, and I will see you for lots more videos, I promise, in 2021. Bye!